Would you believe that you could have a full-grown tree flourishing on your apartment balcony or in your small backyard? Most people think trees need acres of land and deep soil to survive. But here's the secret. Some of the most beautiful trees on the planet grow perfectly fine in containers. By the end of this video, you'll discover 7 remarkable trees that transform tiny spaces into lush, natural retreats. I'm Sam from Seniors Gardening Advice, and if you love gardening but don't have much space, you're in the right place. Before we jump into these incredible plant varieties, please tap that subscribe button below and ring the notification bell. This way, you'll get alerts whenever we upload fresh gardening tips just for you. Now, let's explore how container gardening can completely change your outdoor living experience. Why container trees are perfect solutions. Growing trees in containers might sound unusual at first glance. Think about it. Trees naturally grow massive and spread their branches wide across landscapes. But container gardening breaks all those old rules. The truth is, dwarf varieties and specially bred small tree specimens thrive beautifully in pots. These trees need far less space than their full-sized cousins. For apartment dwellers, renters, and homeowners with limited yards, container trees offer something precious, the chance to have real trees in your living space. What makes this even better? A potted tree can transform your entire atmosphere. Imagine stepping onto your porch or deck and seeing a flourishing tree greeting you. It adds instant natural beauty to any setting. These aren't just plants, they're living decorations that clean your air and connect you with nature daily. Before we share these specific trees, if this sounds exciting to you, please like this video. Your support helps us create more content like this for our community.
Best tree number 1, Dwarf Alberta spruce. Let's start with a personal favorite among gardeners everywhere, the Dwarf Alberta spruce. This tree has a naturally beautiful pointed shape. Its compact size makes it incredibly popular for container growing. During late fall, people often buy these as miniature holiday trees because they look so festive. What's remarkable about this spruce? It grows very slowly. You'll only see about 2 to 3 inches of new growth each year. Eventually, it reaches around 8 feet tall, making it perfect for limited spaces. The needles come in different shades. You can choose varieties with traditional green needles or striking blue-green varieties. Both options look equally stunning in containers. If you live in colder regions, don't worry. This tree handles frost well. It grows happily in hardiness zones 2 through 8. That covers most of North America, making it accessible to gardeners everywhere. When you're watching this, does this sound like something you'd love to grow? Drop a comment below telling us which tree interests you most. We read every single comment and love hearing from our community.
Best tree number 2, weeping fig. Now let's talk about something tropical, the weeping fig. In its natural home, the weeping fig grows enormous. We're talking about trees reaching 60 feet tall in tropical climates. Yet here's the amazing part. It adapts brilliantly to container living. Homeowners can keep these trees manageable at 6 feet or taller, depending on how they prune them. The secret is simple. Control your pot size and trim the branches regularly. This keeps the tree looking beautiful without taking over your space. Figs absolutely love bright spots with lots of sunshine. They thrive even better when you move them outside during warm weather. During summer months, place your fig in a sheltered outdoor area where it gets plenty of light. The tree will reward you with lush growth. One thing to remember, figs sometimes drop their leaves if you suddenly move them or change their light dramatically. Don't panic if this happens. These trees recover quickly once they adjust to their new situation. Share this information with someone who loves tropical plants. Hit that share button and tag a friend who needs to see this.
Best tree number 3, Dwarf blue spruce. Here comes another spruce variety, but this one is special. The dwarf blue spruce is tough and hardy like its larger relatives, but with a completely different size. Compare these numbers. The dwarf variety grows only 3 to 5 feet tall. Its full-size cousin towers over 50 feet. That's a massive difference, which makes the dwarf version ideal for containers.
The growth rate is another huge advantage. This tree puts on very little growth each year, making it perfect for staying compact. In just 12 months, you'll barely notice any size increase. Many people sell these as rounded ball shapes, which look gorgeous, but there's also a topiary version. That's where the branches are carefully shaped into beautiful forms. In a pot on your patio, this topiary style looks absolutely stunning. The needle color is another attraction. This variety displays blue-gray needles that look especially lovely next to bright pink flowers or colorful plants. The contrast is really eye-catching. Regarding hardiness, this tree handles zones 2 through 8 without problems. Again, this covers most gardeners across the continent.
Best tree number 4, Japanese maple. Japanese maple trees are beloved worldwide, and breeders have done amazing work creating varieties for every size garden. Here's what makes this tree special: selection. Some cultivars eventually reach 25 feet after many years of growth, but other varieties grow to just 2 or 3 feet. This incredible range means every gardener, regardless of yard size, can enjoy a Japanese maple. The leaves are the star feature here. They look delicate and intricate, almost like decorated paper. The leaf shapes vary too. Some varieties have deeply cut, feathery leaves that create an airy feeling. Others have simple, elegant oval shapes. Color selection is another reason these trees are so popular. You can find varieties with soft green leaves, deep burgundy, almost black leaves, or even leaves that blend both colors. Some varieties change color with the seasons, creating a dynamic display throughout the year. Most Japanese maples thrive in zones 6 through 8. A few hardy varieties even grow in zone 5, where winters get quite cold. In these colder areas, it helps to shield the tree from harsh winds during winter. Here's a bonus. Since your tree lives in a pot, you can move it inside or to a sheltered location when temperatures drop dramatically. This flexibility makes Japanese maples even more appealing for container gardeners. Please subscribe to see more content about shade-loving trees and specialized varieties.
Best tree number 5, miniature apple tree. Imagine walking to your own personal fruit orchard. Picture yourself picking fresh apples right from your deck. You don't need a farm or huge property to make this dream real. Miniature apple trees make this possible. Growers have developed versions that stay small while still producing plenty of fruit. Some varieties even grow as narrow columnar trees that occupy barely any space at all. These pencil-thin trees are perfect if you have a small balcony or patio. Here's what you need to know about growing apples. You'll need at least 2 trees. Apples require cross-pollination from another apple variety to produce fruit. However, if you have a crabapple tree nearby, it can serve as your pollinator. Container size matters for long-term success. You might start with a 5-gallon pot, but as your tree grows, you'll need to gradually increase the pot size. Over a few years, you'll work up to a 15-gallon container. This sounds like a lot, but it's much smaller than an in-ground space. Regarding hardiness, different varieties handle different temperatures. Some thrive in zones 4 or 5, while others prefer zones 6, 7, or 8. Check your specific variety to make sure it suits your climate. Don't forget to share this tip with friends who love fruit gardening. Hit that share button.
Best tree number 6, crepe myrtle. Crepe myrtle trees are absolute treasures for summer color. They're usually hardy in zones 7 through 10, which covers a large portion of the country. Normally, these trees grow enormous in landscapes. We're talking 25 to 30 feet tall with equally wide spreading branches. But here's the great news. Smaller varieties exist. Some cultivars reach just 3 or 4 feet tall, perfect for large containers. This accessibility is wonderful because everyone deserves to enjoy crepe myrtle's spectacular summer flowers. When these trees bloom, they put on a show. Flowers come in vibrant shades, including red, pink, pure white, soft lavender, and even bicolor combinations. Depending on which variety you select, you get the exact color scheme you want. The blooming period lasts several months during summer and into early fall.
Your container tree becomes a focal point, drawing attention and praise from everyone visiting your garden space. The flowers attract butterflies and hummingbirds, too, bringing movement and life to your outdoor area. These trees grow quickly in containers, which is why you'll want that large pot size right from the start. The reward is absolutely worth the effort. Come back to Senior's Gardening Advice for more flowering tree varieties and color combination ideas. Like and subscribe for weekly gardening inspiration.
Best tree number 7. Sweet Bay. We're finishing with something elegant and aromatic, the sweet bay tree. This broadleaf evergreen has a beautiful, slender, pointed shape that looks formal and sophisticated. But there's more to appreciate than just the appearance. The foliage is incredibly fragrant. The leaves release a pleasant, sweet aroma when you brush against them or crush them slightly. This aromatic quality is one reason why people love sweet bay so much. Every time you step near the tree, you get a natural, pleasant scent. The growth rate is wonderfully slow. This means your tree stays manageable and compact for many years. The slow growth also means less frequent pruning and maintenance compared to faster-growing varieties. Sweet bay tolerates different soil conditions and doesn't demand perfect circumstances to thrive. It's a very forgiving plant, making it excellent for gardeners still building their confidence. Here's something many people don't realize. You can shape this tree into beautiful, formal designs. The leaves are small enough that you can trim them into geometric patterns or topiary shapes. Many formal gardens feature 2 matching sweet bay trees standing like sentinels on either side of an entrance. This traditional look brings elegance to any space. Hardiness zones 8 through 11 are suitable for this tree. If you live in this range, sweet bay might be your answer for a refined, attractive container tree. Why container trees beat traditional gardening. Growing trees in pots offers advantages that in-ground planting simply cannot match. First, there's flexibility. You can move your container tree if it needs more light or if you want to rearrange your outdoor space. Second, container gardening solves problems. Live where the soil is poor or rocky? No problem. Fill your container with perfect potting mix. Don't have a yard? A patio or balcony works just fine. Struggling with soil that's too acidic or alkaline? You control the soil entirely. Third, container trees last many years. With proper care, most of these varieties will provide beauty for decades. You're investing in long-term natural beauty, not temporary decorations. Caring for your container trees. Every tree mentioned today has similar basic needs. Good drainage is essential. Make sure your pot has drainage holes so water doesn't accumulate around the roots. Use quality potting soil, not garden soil, because it drains better and provides proper aeration. Watering frequency depends on weather and season. During hot summer months, container trees need water more often. Winter usually requires less frequent watering. Feel the soil with your finger. If it's dry 2 inches down, water thoroughly until water drains from the bottom. Sunlight needs vary by species. That's why we mentioned specific light requirements for each tree. Crepe myrtles want full sun. Weeping figs prefer bright indirect light. Japanese maples appreciate dappled shade. Check the recommendations for your chosen tree. Fertilizing helps container trees thrive. During the growing season, feed your tree monthly with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer. This supplements nutrients that watering gradually washes away. You now have 7 fantastic options for bringing tree beauty into your life, regardless of space limitations. Each tree has unique qualities, different colors, various hardiness ranges, and individual personalities. The most important step is choosing the tree that speaks to you. Do you want spring blossoms from an apple tree? Prefer summer flowers from crepe myrtles? Love the delicate beauty of Japanese maple foliage? Need an evergreen for year-round structure? All these choices are yours. Container gardening removes excuses. You don't need a big yard, expensive landscaping, or years of gardening experience. Start with one tree, learn what works for you, and expand from there. We'd love to know which tree caught your attention. Please comment below and tell us which variety you're most excited to grow. We read every single comment from our community, and your feedback helps us create better content. Don't forget, subscribe to Senior's Gardening Advice for weekly gardening tips, tree care advice, and seasonal growing guides. Ring that notification bell so you never miss our latest uploads. Share this video with anyone you know who wants to add trees to their small space. Like this video if you found the information helpful.
Your support means everything to our channel and helps us reach more gardeners just like you. Thank you for spending this time with us today. We hope you feel inspired and ready to start your container tree gardening adventure. See you in our next video, where we'll explore even more ways to transform your outdoor space into a personal garden paradise. Until then, happy gardening!